Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all.
Tony, when did you start looking like a math teacher?
When I was born.
Hey, you're not here. You're not welcome here. That is the one loud exhale.
Hold on.
Sorry, I got carried away.
Scooby-Doo!
That was a cobweb?
Sure it was.
It was a cobweb style.
Maybe it was an inhabited web. You got something with 8 legs all up in your face?
The bass and the tweeters make the speakers go to war. The mighty trumpet brings the freaks out to the floor.
Tell me where the freaks at. Tell me where the freaks at. Freaks at.
Tell me where the freaks at. Echo Lima, Delta, Shield.
Captain America.
No! What the heck, man?
What the fuck?
I just threw a pencil at you.
No. You're an ass. Never. No. Yeah.
Can't even kick somebody properly.
I just throated you. No. I just throated you. No.
This friend group, I swear.
I throated him, guys. I don't. I'm ashamed to admit it. Yes. Just throw me. Just throw me. I deserve it.
Hey, look at that topple.
Yeah, this is a topple.
I think you have something else.
No, it's right above it though. Yahoo! Climbing exercise number 10. Me versus Andrew. See who lasts longer. Look at that psychopath. Landon.
You're hiding.
I look like a burglar.
You look like a booger.
Finger off.
No, I pulled
I don't know. I'm bored.
the stem off and it landed on
You're a jerk.
AJ. I pulled the stem off, threw it, landed on that leaf. You're stupid.
Hey.
You're retarded.
So am I. Wait. Sebastian. Hey. You gonna keep putting. So, how's it going?
You suck.
Do you need a sticky note by chance? Do you need a sticky note by chance?
That one's actually been on there for a while.
I think we're in normal time.
Hey, don't litter.
Moo. Look at this painting. You just love making people miserable. I'm like, huh? Not much has changed. I look very much the same.
You
can actually do that.
Christian, Houston does. And
He just bought. Oh my god!
read
You
it.
had one job.
You had one.
You had one job, Christian.
One job.
One failure. Okay, senior.
No.
Christian, I get the odd feeling that we're in school.
Let me
Nobody
guess.
wants them.
The food.
Yep.
I don't know what that is, but it doesn't look like how it should.
That basket Jaeger. And I'm drinking Lakers. Don't need a chaser. Ordered a couple money.
Revenge time. Motherfucker.
So, AJ, you're just recording all of your failures, making a comedy.
So natureful. Hey, you ever done that? Fuck it. We're here with the scary. We're here with the scary.
Noter.
How do you screw that up? Hold on. Okay. This is gonna be very bad. Oh my god, I slipped and fell. No, man. If you guys find this guy and this guy's bodies in the cornfield, let me just say it was me. It was all me. I just called my own bag of bitch.
Consuela so horny.
No, Consuela. No.
Me so horny.
I hate you. Hey, cousin Barry, how's it going?
Still hanging?
Hey. Okay, see these little things of books? These fake books right here?
Yeah.
Feel how heavy this is. I want.
That's pretty heavy.
No! Really again? You're looking swell.
They're going dormant, then where's the key?
What would happen to that tree? It would probably explode. Have you ever put water in?
Help me!
I'm Batman.
You trying to sneak up behind me? Stalker. Because my new hat.
Run with that scooter.
Consuela, no.
Nah!
She's running to the dead bush with a scooter!
Yeah.
She just jaywalked with a dead bush and a scooter in her hands. Without shoes!
That's funny.
Oh wait, here, let me see this.
Fly, birdie, fly!
No, not again. Fly, birdie, fly. Fly, elephant, fly. What are you, a baby hippo?
Thanks, Debbie. Hi.
It's not a vlog.
I can't believe it's December.
I love this.
I can't believe it's December.
Hey.
Braun Strowman! No. I'm all good. No. I survived. Barely. Chinese man.
I'm stuck in sticky situations.
I don't have to say where.
Enough gibberish out of you.
I don't have enough sticky situations. They keep coming out every day.
So you're coming out?
That's you. And now, the student doctor workout video, part 2. You know what I'm gonna get you! Get back here! Oh my god, it's a suit for every girl ever. It's got tons of balls on it. Drink like a redneck. A fancy redneck. I broke my nose. This nose is dude, I just put this Ron. I put the mask on. This never happened. I look stylish.
Super girl.
I'm super bitch. There's something definitely different. I don't know what it is. Oh, my tongue. It's definitely my tongue.
Yeah.
I swear there's something different.
I don't know, you better get to the dentist.
Yeah, that might be it. No, it's his haircut. It's his haircut. Like my haircut goes right down this now. Huh? Does look good on me.
Right.
Just walking with sunglasses inside. You can't exactly. I'm gonna run irresponsibly with a computer that doesn't belong to me. Hey, screw him. You're a dick. You're a dick. I'm not.
You are. You were like the king of dicks.
Is that some kind of fetish or something? What is that?
Yeah, it's your fetish.
Bitch.
You got it upside down.
Tony, you kind of got. Oh, that's Star-Lord. Okay. You had it upside down, man. You stole my father from me. Now I put this hat on in your shame.
Don't talk to me, criminal!
Something extremely hilarious. You're an idiot. Where did he come from?
There you go, your funny video.
I will kill you. Hey, Brian.
Hey, look, they broke a bleacher. No. Suicide! Oh, no. I got this.
That is why you don't stand up and swing.
It just dragged me.
Hey, Landon.
Hey, give me my hat.
Don't stop recording. Just give him his face.
Hey, Landon. Ready for this?
Seconds cocky, you're the shit like a guy with 6 guns. And I can't stop saying dig, and then cap. Hicka-dickory die. So talk shit and get stopped. So kick rocks and get lost. Or get dropped and get tossed. As hip-hop shit gets hot.
Hey, get on my back. I have a good joke.
No, I'm the joke teller. The joke is his life.
You're not wrong. Hey guys, this is Shield Doctor for Ace Gaming here with my channel series. Look at all the balls on this thing.
Or just flop. AJ, just do the flop.
Everybody do
the flop. Everybody do the flop.
Next thing you know, all the trees go with you.
And they only land on you.
Oh my god, I remember going through that valley over there. Everybody do the flop.
Geez, some of these trees are really bending over backwards, huh?
Ooh la la.
They're bending over for you.
Yes, master.
Get behind him.
I made it over.
AJ, get behind him.
Oh hell no.
No, I'm flying wood.
Hey, AJ, that one has a hole. That one has a hole in it.
Well, that's good. Where are you? Well, that's good for certain uses.
Y'all's a bunch of bitches.
Like, remember the sticky thing in your mouth?
That was a cobweb?
Sure it was.
It was a cobweb, so.
Maybe it was an inhabited web. You got something with 8 legs all up in your face?
It was a mommy long leg.
Really? Fun.
Can you believe this, Andrew? Why are you running? Come back here and love me. Hey, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Let me get down. Hey guys, guess what month it is? It's December in Iowa. What the fuck? Dumb, gay, normal.
I think you got that mixed
I think you got things mixed up.
Stay away from me. Wait.
You got things
No.
I'm the most normal in this group.
Yeah, keyword most. Still not normal.
Hey. This is awesome, dude. Railroad ties. And they're all stuck here. Dude, look at that old truck right there. It's sturdy. Probably because it's a train. We're outside the library where you can smell smoke. And it tastes like smoke outside. You don't want me to catch you! Yeah, get back here! Get back here!
Did you forget to study?
What is the study you speak of?
He's tangled up in his life.
It's so sad and true. This is Sparta! I'm okay.
Gay?
Holy motherfuck! Not
He's gay.
You said it earlier. Holy motherfuck is an ice cream truck. It's just too much of a pussy to say it. Here comes him! Wait. Here comes him! Here comes him. That's him.
Him.
Him. Here comes him. Him.
It. Right here. It.
You.
This is an it.
This isn't nothing.
I can't wait to kill people.
You need Jesus.
Here at Taco Bell, by the bathroom, there's a giant head. This thing. That thing scared the butt off my socks. Okay, it was funny when I went to go get a clip of that skull. There's two girls that look at me like, "What, is Wi-Fi better in the bathroom?" No. Okay, so oh, you almost saw the trap. Okay, Peyton's with us. So, Aiden, you gotta go through the trap. See if you can survive. There's a swimming pool right over there if you survive. Here's your trap. Okay, jump right in.
Oh no, there's lava.
No, man, see those ladders? They're on glass. They're on glass.
Hey, I knew.
Dude, look at this. Dude, this is a perfect place to have sex. Oh, no, seriously, look at this now. Man, part of my computer's breaking. I almost dropped my computer down here, and then once you get down here, there's no way out. I'm too tiny. Hey, you!
Who, me?
Yeah! Watch these videos! Here's gonna be some clips of them, and watch them, or die.
But I
Do it! Freaking look at this, you guys.
Holy crap. You're dead.
Oh, jeez.
Is that
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna go look for a secret. Okay. Hey, you wanna come chill with me?
No. Hey, Andrew, how you doing?
I'm a ghost.
Just kill everyone in here.
There's no more.
Come back here and love me. Oh.
Peyton, that door
was a
open.
gas
Peyton,
chamber.
Peyton, I'm dead. Agent, hurry up, Agent, hurry.
What have you done? Those people could have been saved. I don't care. You can't touch this day in and I don't know. I'm getting. It's a deep impact.
Yep. It's time to go.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I see your dead body. I'm gonna go steal those. Oh,
I got my kicks and the chicks and the DJ mix turned up to 11. Yeah, the speaker's gonna thump, the party's gonna jump on up to 11. I'm already tipsy, somebody give me one more shot of that redneck whiskey.
Oh man.
If you miss this, I'm gonna laugh.
So, when do you propose that evil dolphins will take over?
Oh goodness, okay. I didn't know that dolphins were evil. I mean, pandas are fucking scary, but I don't know about dolphins.